Thinking about remodeling your kitchen in 2025, before you finalize your design, there are some major shifts happening from color, layout, and materials and storage. Some of these trends can instantly elevate your kitchen, others are already falling out of favor. Let's take a look at what's in and what's on its way out. So one of the biggest popular trends that are coming in right now is this kitchen right behind me. Slim shaker, that's a very popular trend right now. It goes away from your traditional big shaker looking cabinets to this nice slim shaker. So this is one trend that's really coming in. It's coming in very strong and it's extremely popular. You see it a lot in wood, and now we're seeing it a lot more in paint. So that's one trend I highly recommend you take a look at for your kitchen. Another popular trend that's coming into style are warm tones. Let's bring that warmness back into our kitchen. Some of the popular woods that are coming in is something like this, Alder. Alder has a nice warm tone to it. It's nice and soft. It's a nice, beautiful wood with amazing grain, and the naturalness looks really great. Another one that is coming in, a little bit of an exotic wood, is this Cypress. Yes, Cypress. This looks really nice. This is a laminate door, but it does look really nice in your kitchen. It's a nice warm tone. That looks great in your kitchen. Another trend that's very popular that's coming in is the two-tone kitchens. Two-tone kitchens, you can never go wrong. Like this kitchen behind me, you have the white cabinets up on the top. You have the black matted cabinets at the bottom. That two-tone look looks amazing when you're doing your kitchens. You kind of break up the traditional just one color through your kitchen. So doing a two-tone is really nice. It's a very popular trend that keeps coming in stronger year after year. If you're planning a remodel, don't guess what your budget can actually get you. We created the ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide. It shows you exactly what's possible at 5K, 20K, and even 50K. Download it for free using the link below and get clear on what features make the most sense for your space and your investment. Another trend that's real popular that a lot of people are doing now is the backsplash. As you can see behind me, the backsplash is a full backsplash, same counter, same backsplash. Full backsplashes look amazing. It's something that always looks really nice and it's easy to clean. Sticking with the countertop theme, something that's very strong that keeps coming out, that every time I go to different shows I always keep seeing, all these countertops with nice veins. The bold veins look amazing in your countertops. It's a very popular trend. Something like this where you got the bold vein running across from the top and the bottom. That is very popular. That is something that's not going to change. That's something that looks really good. Back then we used to have granite, was just natural. Now we got quartz countertops with a lot of grain, deep veins, look really nice. All right, another trend that's very popular that we're starting to see is open space in your kitchen. Something like the open shelves right behind me. This gives you an amazing look. Open shelves gives that big depth in your kitchen, makes your kitchen look a little bigger than what it is. I always like looking at the open shelves when you put them in your kitchen. They're really nice. They make your kitchen look a lot nicer. They look very clean, so that's something that you might want to consider. Putting open shelves in your kitchen look amazing. Another trend that's very popular that's coming into kitchens, and I really think it's going to be a big thing in a couple years, is lighting. You're going to start seeing a lot of lighting in closets, in your cabinets. Kitchen cabinets were always known for under counter lighting, but now we're integrating lighting everywhere. You could put it inside your glass cabinets. You could put it inside your drawers. You can actually put it on your floating shelves. Seamless lighting look. Lighting will be a key feature in a couple years. It's an emotional feeling. When you walk into your kitchen, you see that lighting, you know, it gets you happy. So if you're thinking about doing your kitchens, lighting will be a big thing in the future. A popular trend that's coming in that's always been around is organizations. What do I mean? Organize yourself, organize your kitchen. It's an ease of mind. This is the way you do it. You get inserts, you put them inside your drawer. You get inserts to help you out in your cupboards. You get inserts to put in your rollouts. These are things you could put into your kitchen to help you organize. Organize your knives, organize your spoons and forks, organize your plates, organize your pots and pans. There's a lot of inserts that you could use in your kitchen. They're a little extra added, but organization is a big thing, big trend that's gonna keep going on. Another trend that's very popular is cabinets like this. What is this for? Back in the days, they used to call it a garage appliance. Now, the garage appliance has evolved over time. So now, if you wanna hide your appliances, let's say you wanna hide that mixer, you wanna hide that blender, this is a good place to put it. Basically easy to get to, slide it in there, put it away, and then make it go away. That way you clear your countertops. Yes, the cabinet is on your counter, but at least you don't see your appliance. It looks nice and clean. So that's a great place. Use those garage appliances. Now that you know where kitchen trends are headed, check out this next video. It covers the 5 most common things people regret not adding to their kitchen remodel. If you're making big decisions, this will help you avoid mistakes and add lasting value. Watch that next.